Welcome to example number 14. In this question, we're asked to determine an expression for the force F in terms of m1, m2, and m3, and also the coefficient of kinetic friction, which is written as mu. Okay, the best way to solve this problem, and the quickest way, is really to treat this as a system. So we're going to take a look at this whole body here. I'm going to just draw a dashed box around it. That is my system. And if I were going to draw a free body diagram for this, I'll just do it down below here. We would have the force F acting to the right. Then we would have friction acting backwards, a little less, because it's accelerating to the right. We also have an upward force, which is our normal force. And then we have an equal and opposite downward force due to gravity. The system is accelerating to the right, and that's why I'm drawing a little wiggly arrow going to the right. And now we can apply Newton's second law, or Newton's first law. Let's go along the x-axis. We'll apply Newton's second law. We're choosing an x-axis to the right here. And there's y. And we're going to sum the forces for the entire system. So this is going to be really m1 plus m2 plus m3 multiplied by a. And the only forces that are acting along the x-axis when we look at the whole system would be F, and then we have the opposing force of friction. And that friction is a combined friction from all those three bodies. That's equal to m1 plus m2 plus m2 plus m3 times a. And now we need to rewrite friction. We're going to replace that with mu times Fn. And then since the block is on a horizontal surface, we know that the sum of the forces in the y will be 0, so the normal force must be really equal to the weight of all of these bodies. So that's m1 plus m2 plus m3 times g. And we're going to substitute that into here. And when we substitute that in, we'll get F minus mu times m1 plus m2 plus m3 times g is equal to m1 plus m2 plus m3 times a. And then if you rewrite that so that f's all by itself, you'll get this answer. And that's it for this example.